Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. So in this video I will be showing you how to jailbreak iOS 15.1.1 and lower down to iOS 15.0 on all your Arm64 devices, meaning iPhone 10 and lower devices. So we can use the new Freya 15 to jailbreak these versions. The method shown in this video along with Freya 15 is completely free. So I'm at the official GitHub page for Freya 15, as you can see it right here. Now if you check out the releases, we have the latest release right here. So you can get the IPA file from here and then install it using sideloadly. Sideloadly is also completely free, and to use sideloadly you will have to install iTunes first. So get iTunes directly from the official Apple website and install it on your Windows PC. Now guys, the good thing is that you can make Freya 15 permanently signed, so it does not expire anytime, even after 7 days. So we can install it via Trollstore. So I have tested both the methods, both the sideloadly and Trollstore, and it works just fine. So yes, first of all, install Trollstore. You can install Trollstore without a jailbreak. If you don't know how to do it, the guide is in the description. Now to install Freya 15, simply open Safari and head to the official GitHub page for Freya 15 and scroll down to get the latest release right here. Scroll a bit and you can get the Freya 15 IPA file from here and get to your device. Once it is downloaded, open Trollstore, hit the plus button above, then install IPA file, and then simply install it from here. Hit install. So as you can see, it is successfully installed. Before we begin, I want to show you my version. So I am currently at iOS 15.1 on this iPhone SE. Let's open it, and you can see the interface right here. It says iPhone SE iOS 15.1, and you can see the jailbreak process is really fast. So hit jailbreak. I am not cutting the video here so that you can see the speed of the jailbreak. So it will take a few seconds, and now you can simply set any passcode like you do with the Permasigned jailbreak. Set it. And now here, please wait for the process to complete, which will now install Celio. So after the process is complete, your device will automatically respring, and you can see we have Celio, Zebra, New Term installed. And if I open Celio, you can see it opens just fine without any issues. I can show you the version. Yes, you can see Permasigned rootless because the bootstrap is not changed. It is from the percussive team Permasigned, so it is showing up right here. But rest assured, you can use this jailbreak and it is pretty stable. And you can see we have updates. You can upgrade all, confirm, to show you that it works. So yes guys, you can see it completed without errors, no problems whatsoever with it. Alright, it is complete. I can open Celio and you can see everything is properly upgraded, no problems whatsoever. Now to show you that yes, tweaks work, I am installing a tweak here so that you can see that yes, it indeed works just fine. I will install Ampere, which is completely free, which changes your battery icon to look like a bit different like iOS 16. So once I get in, you can see my battery icon is now changed. So yes, you can see that it indeed worked just fine. If you scroll down settings, you can see it is installed properly and working, and you can see also the Zebra works without any issues. Next, I will show you how to remove this jailbreak. If you want to remove it, you can simply restart the device. You will simply turn it off first so that we can restart it. Alright, as you can see, I have restarted my device and Celio and everything is now gone, because now you can simply open Freya and simply re-jailbreak your device without any problem. You can simply hit enable Freya and you can re-jailbreak your device. Also, it can behave like a completely untethered, sort of untethered jailbreak. Okay, now let's see how to remove it. So open Freya and then hit this settings icon and then hit restore root fs and please turn on this button. Okay, and then slide down and you will see remove Freya. Just hit remove Freya and wait for the process to complete, and now hit OK and your device will reboot. Alright, so after restarting you can see the jailbreak is successfully and completely removed. So I can show you that I can open Freya and then hit this settings button and then turn off restore root fs, slide down, and now I can jailbreak my device again if I please. And of course Trollstore will keep the Freya stay signed forever, so that whenever you reboot you can simply re-jailbreak your device without a computer. That's all for this video. If you have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.